package that I just got from SHEFIT. It is huge and I'm so excited to show you all what I got. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. This is SHEFIT's Exhilarate Sports Bra. I'm a dancer and this is the bra that I literally wear every day. It gives me just enough support and it has a little bit of padding on the inside, which is perfect for me. Next, we're gonna move into a little matching set moment. We love one of those. It starts with the SHEFIT mesh shorts. Look how cute these are. They're perfect to like throw over on your way to the gym, or I even think I might wear it as like a swim cover up in the summer. I also got the matching tank. Look how cute this is. And it has the little SHEFIT branding on the bottom. That is so cute, and it's gonna go perfect over this bra that I got. And last, to complete this little mesh outfit, I have the mesh little cropped hoodie action with some paper on it. Look how cute this is. And I love it because it's like mesh, so you can wear it in the summer, but like it's also a hoodie, so you can wear it all year round. This outfit is gonna look so cute together. I'm so excited. I also got these little black shorts. Let's open it up. These are, let me see, the V-waist biker shorts. Look at those. So you have that little V-waist that's gonna really snatch you in, make you look like a skinny queen. And then these are also gonna go great under the mesh shorts that I just opened. How cute. I have another little set. I'm gonna start with the bottoms. Look at this color. I'm obsessed. This is plum, and these are the seamless leggings. They look like this. They have all of this like cool stitching that's gonna really contour your legs, suck you in, and then look at the back. Number one, we have the cute logo. Number two, look at that scrunch. That's gonna make your booty pop. And to go with the leggings, I have the matching tank. I am literally obsessed. I saw it on the site and I was like, I need this. Look how cute. It is the softest fabric, oh my gosh, I've ever felt. Look at the SHEFIT on the back. This is gonna be such a cute set. I'm so excited to wear this. Lastly, probably my favorite item of this whole order, I'll show you. It is their new bodysuit. I'm literally obsessed. I went to SHEFIT all the time for activewear, and now there's something I can wear to the gym and then wear to dinner after. Look how cute. It's just like the tank, how it has all of this contouring. And then it says SHEFIT on the back. Who doesn't need a long sleeve black bodysuit? Like literally, this is a staple in everyone's closet.